I'm vlogging, babe.
I'm vlogging, babe.
She's still in bed.
Hi guys, good morning! Good morning guys! Look at that, who's in there? Oh shit! Oh my god, malapit na akong matagak. Hey! Oh my lordy, itong vlogging na ito guys, matatagak ako nito dito. How's your morning? It's been raining though.
It is. Here, Phil.
Say good morning to people. Morning!
Morning.
Okay, talk to her.
Who's that big girl? Who's that big girl?
She's so cute.
I grabbed that down.
She get up, she's scared. I put it in her tail. It's Dada. Do you want Dada? That's Dada. Dada loves you so much. I have to let this dog out all the time this way because that's the only time that Misty go out in this rainy day. For some reason, guys, she doesn't want to go step to the grass if the grass is wet. Oh, it's raining hard. Oh, she backed up. Okay, this is what I do every time she doesn't go to the rain. So maluka ako sa'yo. Parang hindi ka aso ah. Okay, let me lock this one. I'm not gonna leave it. I'm not gonna leave it open. Okay, let's go in. Yeah, this is my first time ever to do a reaction video, and this is a kind of weird because I'm reacting to the other vlogger that I keep watching, which is Simply Rhaze, and with her husband Danny Boy. And of course, I call him Danny Boy. I'm going to react this video because this is the first time ever, if you've been watching Simply Rhaze, and the first time, you know, yung si Danny, yung husband niya na nag-first time vlogging on her birthday. So, kung nanonood si Rhaze, hi Rhaze! Ito yung pinakauna ko talagang reaction, guys, na magagawin ko. Anyway, guys, so I'm going to react. I'm gonna start na, guys, before I keep yapping. Because this video, it's long video. It's 22 minutes and 39 seconds. So,
good morning, people. It's the 24th of October.
Pick one.
It's Rhazel's birthday. Good morning, people.
It feels awkward.
24th of October, and it's Rhazel's birthday.
Take two.
For her birthday, she's asked me to vlog. So, yeah. Welcome to the vlog of Daniel. Good morning, people.
Keep
Today's
vlogging, Danny.
24th of October.
Take three.
And it's Rhazel's birthday. Good morning, people.
How
Today's
many?
24th of October. It's Rhazel's birthday. Good morning, people.
Take 5.
Of October. Good morning, people.
Take 6.
Good morning,
Hey,
people.
9.
Good morning,
Serious.
people.
It seems like he get frustrated. It's funny.
Good morning, guys.
Final?
Today's the 24th
Is that
of
final?
October. It's Rhazel's birthday. She's 27.
Happy birthday.
And she's asked me to vlog for her birthday. So, the things I do for my wife. So this is probably going to be my first, my last and only vlog. So safe but keep it, enjoy it, because you won't be seeing one of these again. I prefer to buy her a present for her birthday, but she's asked for this, so I'll do it this one. So first off, for her birthday breakfast, we're going to be doing pancakes.
Pancakes!
I love pancakes. So
Love pancakes.
pancakes, banana,
Banana monkey.
couple eggs,
That's a small egg.
butter, and of course the mix. So I'll get started on these and stay tuned.
Wow, he did put the camera
Okay,
higher
guys,
though.
Rhazel's breakfast is underway.
So he need to do like this.
Coffee, done. That was the easy part. Pancakes.
I miss pancakes now. I wanna cook pancake now.
So give those a 30 seconds or so. It doesn't take long to cook pancakes.
Quick.
I'm not sure if I showed you this, can't remember. These flowers here, I got for Rhaze last
He's
week.
watching the camera and he tried to touch the flower.
I got them last week as part of the birthday because we're going to Sydney on Saturday. So I brought them today. Today's Tuesday. I know it only lasts, what, 3-4 days, then we go to Sydney and I'll probably dial her away. So I got them last week so she gets to look at them longer. They're not bad. Thank you, Lou, for doing the flowers. The lady that did our wedding flowers also done these for me as well. So, thank you, Lou. Okay, guys, all finished.
I don't even see your pancake one.
Coffee's done.
Oh.
Pancake cooked.
Only one pancake?
But she doesn't eat much.
Ah, okay.
So we'll go and give it to her. Alright, let's go to bed and
Bed and breakfast.
Morning breakfast.
Oh, bed and breakfast. Breakfast in bed.
I'm vlogging, babe.
I'm vlogging, babe.
She's still in bed.
Oh.
I'm watching Chona's video.
Hello, Chona.
Hello.
There's a
How's your
pancake.
vlog?
Good.
Thank you, babe.
She looks happy that Danny Boy is vlogging. I can see her face. That she kind of like killing.
And then.
Am I eating here?
Yeah.
I can go there.
I can see in her face that she's happy.
I'm vlogging.
Thank you.
Okay.
I was just, how about you? Are you gonna eat with me?
I'm gonna get your coffee.
Thanks.
Yes.
Are you gonna eat with me or are you gonna eat me?
The thing is, we do for her.
Are you fuck?
Alright. Coffee.
Ay, naku, nakakaloka.
Done.
Namumula ako, guys.
Done.
Rhaze tumatawa. I'm telling you, she is killing and happy.
I'm talking to a camera.
It
Oh my gosh, it
feels weird for her though.
Hey,
your
no,
phone.
he's calling me. I don't know that number. Okay.
Yeah, good job, babe.
Thank you, babe.
I guess he has a gift for her.
I got your present as well. Thank you, thanks, mate.
Is it a camera?
No. It's not that bloody expensive.
Okay. Do we go around?
Sure. It's a good card. I love you to the moon and back.
You're trendy, babe.
I'm cool.
Babe. I wish. That's a very Australian pronunciation,
No, we're not,
babe.
because we're going to Sydney as well.
But I mean, nagsasabing arte daw yun. Hindi yun. Ganyan yung mga pronunciation sa Australia. Kakaiba talaga. May
Support that counts.
Don't judge.
Don't judge.
Don't judge.
The wrapper is so good, babe.
Yeah, there you go.
It is expensive, the wrapper.
That was only $1.
Uh,
It's only $1.
what is it?
You gotta.
To Tommy, the trashy. What?
The big.
What is it?
It's a fun present.
Oh, that's nice.
What is that?
Oh, it's only something little.
That's nice.
I don't know if you're gonna like it or not.
I don't have anything Michael Kors. Do I? I don't.
No.
Oh, babe, what is it?
Oh,
Say
babe.
That's
Something
cute.
in the
Yes.
line.
I like it.
Nice, that's nice. The star.
It might be too. I'm hoping it's not too big, but
No, it's not. I like it. Where did he get it? Where did he get Michael Kors?
came up.
No.
No.
Where did he get Michael Kors?
Just no
Secret.
city. Are your ears pierced?
Do you want me to fill them?
Yeah, why not?
Yes, it's a romper. Looks like it's a.
That looks big.
Oh no, it's a dress. What?
What?
I
That
don't
looks
remember
big.
this.
That's
It's
so
big.
big.
Maybe it's gonna be fine. We'll see. I'll try it on in a video.
Off to the next post office to get the next present. Stay tuned.
You're doing good.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Namumula si Dan.
Hi.
Namumula si Dan.
We've got another package.
This is from Zappos. I'm not gonna open it now because I will be doing I'm nervous actually.
She's so tiny when it's Danny Boy's holding the
I'm
camera.
not dressed for this because he didn't tell me. He
Yeah.
brought shoes for us. So.
You are dressed.
Mm. Oh my god, ang liit! Ang liit!
We have no idea. We're just going to go to the marina. Battery's dying, guys. Hello, people.
Hello, people.
Professional vlogger right here. We have 0 subscribers.
0 subscribers.
The marina. I'm a weirdo.
He's good at vlogging, guys. Slow it down. If Danny Boy is going to start vlogging, probably there's more vlog because seems like he is not embarrassed to vlog, you know, in public.
Chaka weather today.
Chaka.
That's why you should tell me.
Chaka with us today.
You
Chaka
should
though.
tell me next time where we're going.
And I wouldn't be surprised.
I'm dressed.
You're dressed fine, woman. What do you mean?
I'm really cold. I should have worn.
It's not cold.
If I.
But I'm wearing. Alright, we have found our lunch. This is our waiter. His name is Jeremy. Joe. Joe, I was close.
Jay.
We're looking at getting seafood
He's kind of shy. He's vlogging.
She likes me to film people. She's a bit of a crazy person, so that's alright. You find it, babe, what it is.
Yeah, that one.
The seafood combination from here.
Hello, people.
Hello, people.
Filipinos.
Natawa ako sa hello, people though.
Your voice is so loud.
Hello, people. It's my vlogging voice. Okay.
This one I thought
I'm hungry now.
It's not a lobster, it's a bug. What is it? We got this. This is
What is he doing?
this is calamari. We got and I got my mocktail. Mango.
Oh, na-miss ko yung mango shake.
Let's eat.
Hello, people.
Hello,
We're
people. Natak.
Babe, where are we? We're home. Hello.
Pongko pamon.
He calls this an Asian squat. Show him.
Show me earrings.
Oh yeah, I'm wearing the earrings. I love it. Thank you, babe.
It's not focused.
There you go. So pretty. Oh, hello.
Can we show them and then cut it and we wearing it like
Yeah, you can do that. You want to do a try on haul, babe?
flash the next colour and flash the next one?
He watched too much vlog.
This is when you cut it.
Oh my god, he gets naked in front of the camera.
So you cut it editing there,
Yeah, and then.
and the next one we pops up the red top.
Okay.
Oh. What is that?
You look good. I love that.
You look good in
That
red.
looks really good. That looks good on you, babe.
Great.
That's
Yeah, I love
nice.
that.
$150.
Mahal.
150.
Oh, I love this one as well. I like that. I like
I
that.
like this one as well.
Yeah.
Kiss, kiss. Wow!
Can we end the vlog? Have I done enough today?
No, yeah, we can't end the vlog. It's not end of the night yet.
It's
So, okay, I guess that's it, guys. It's done. But anyway, so, yeah, if you are watching Rhaze till Rhaze, I see hi, another reaction video from the video. So, anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my first ever reaction video from other vlogger, which is another Filipina vlogger. So, yeah, she's so cute, guys. Anyway, guys, if you are watching Rhaze, oh, hi, Rhaze. Anong gamit mo sa eyebrow mo, Rhaze? Sobrang ganda. Anyway, hi guys. I have a mask on my face. So, ito, guys, anyway, itong mask na ginagamit ko is, I got this one. It's a new one. It's a Freeman Feeling Beautiful Polishing Charcoal Black Sugar Gel Mask Scrub. You have to leave this for like 5 to 7 minutes, and then you kind of slowly, you know, you add water on your hand, and you kind of like rub your face. You know, it's really rough. It's good for like getting rid of your dry skin. It smells good. I like it so much, and yeah, I will let you know if I like it. And so, sobrang ulan, guys. Oy. Hi guys, I am back. Katatapos ko lang guys, winawash ko yung face ko. Mahapdi-hapdi siya dahil, you know, I kinda rub it hard. It says in the instruction that, you know, rub it gently. Gently guys, gently. So, but I like the result. But, you know, it's not perfectly gone. My dryness over here is still there. I stopped putting oil, the vitamin E oil. I like it, but in the winter, I will probably apply back to vitamin E oil on my face, but I will do it next, you know, when it's like the winter, because in winter guys, yung mukha ko talaga sobrang dry, as in, lalo na dito pag winter, grabe na talaga. So the mask is really good. It's really nice guys. I like it so much. It smells so good, and even though mahapdi kasi I rub my face, you know, hard, it's really soft. And then I put moisturizer, you know, to make my skin not so dry, because every time you wash your face and then it's like after you tap it with your towel, diba? Pag parang dry ba, parang hindi ka maka-smile kasi sobrang dry. So you always have to put moisturizer. I cannot imagine guys, yung bata pa ako, yung naliligo tayo, diba? Safeguard, lagay ng safeguard, diba? Yung safeguard pag nilagay mo, sobrang parang yung skin mo is so hard na, like, you know, and we like it, but I just crazy, but we don't have to apply anything. I just remember how that happened. But anyway guys, I will say good night now, and yeah, it's really evening now. It's almost 6 o'clock. I will see you tomorrow, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys, thank you so much. Give me a like, and bye.
I wish you answer me, really. I wish you talk to me back. It's gonna be scary guys.
I'm going to put the bagoong right here. Sobrang